Buyamono kigima omurigerere bw'ensoko no kwegena kwane buna andonsi asore ni gogendrete buya chinsani 10 chabono mogoroba chitariki nyomutinyo 11 mu mwaka bw'echirububere 2025 aya namangana maya asenchira yobwenge kurugaiga ensoko TV oboroso bomogusi eretariane Linet Nyambane. Oyoboretie ekerogo kyobwa MCA bwe ward ya Nyamira Township omwaka bw'echirububere 2022 na akaba namba 2 Jackson Nyanumba nigo abamochira ba MCA asogosinywa kumanya 2/3 yaba MCA 35 buna richiko riganetie agose kukwana ime ye county ya Nyamira Nyanumba nigatebire buna bono omugabana Nyaribo nigabonete kwirana na kubakorera abanyamira emeremo kubwatekana buna aba MCA bensemeyo nigo bachiete maminjane richiko egento kererete Nyaribo kwirana ase abisi.
Lakini rende batemere wimbiche gabana, it's like they are not able to do that. Gabana, I think yesaikere bono tigaira ne ground atakorere gas nagolete biragita nechigali moro mumbakanirite in various places. I think the period chigali chiaberere probably tindi jasere koera chitile ichinde jada takire maintenance bono tigabe ke budget akole maintenance asoero tokole gas aggressively kiagera ese line yanyagetali okoma chakore muna river hospital yeito at least they have succeeded by and large. Bono munda nyagetali ituru na bakoranga ntobwate nyagetali at least era compete nyagetali chinde second country ya Kenya. Lakini rende I'm disappointed in a MCA cheito. Nchiroro twachoreta and we were expecting a lot from them. Especially our language principal school and the lawyers. Tinga being administrators of schools. Because you are going to find out 2/3 of 35 ninki. At least maybe a reasonable amishati. Yoko what driving at 35 is constant. Lakini wanomba resetu what driving at 35 is constant. Lakini awande mbaro hesabu ya ingerete probably batali kumanyanga 2/3 of 35 is 24 and not 23 because you are dealing with human beings. Bono ayara lakini ndo tiangireli bageli again wakira abantu baitu ba Nyamira county especially ali setu abwate chikura at ward level ngamba aka chikura kitali ko baditani bipae yes.
Rituko neri morio karia etire maegayo mo board member Ozone 10 Vincent Atei komochia oyo korigia ekerogo kyobo senator bwe county ya Nyamira Jeremia Migosi asekeria tebire buna ebitango abegete kuchia ase chi factory chechae ensemo ya Nyamira chira nyoboremi maega nigo agose ebitange byo byarigeti kuchikwirania oboremi maega nigo bono agikerie nkwaneyo. Jeremia Migosi oyuko na wetera asenchira yesimi nigatebire buna ekina begete yo korusia aba director bechichae abakurumi na kikeirere akurwanirwa wetera nga nigo akwirania abaremi benseme yu magega.
Terisiruma ibona wetera round na mari aho ni bitu ya saba mpade kimoko. Oba mugwagi yanchore yes kwaoni. Angi yanchore totene. Limite yabo baoni. Oba mugwa join 2026. Kanya tuanyori bomukuri. Orego tokuri abo na bakemi nibi. Ekaro siasa ya chaka was a very senior government officer. Agateba gane mura sort out. Nakika muro tutanda ko sort out naki na ndi numu acha mugatoma migo siacha goteba na migondo ntoni. Lakini kwa dere ne factory agata kutina nyara mulimo agateba na tumiti migos. Ikomigo sine akorta ye tumiti.
Marera nengoro kutera mamigos byokoliyo senator Nyamira county. Ati asoka teria abantu ekene ati gonyo kwebizete ya migozi osandonsi mbaro bagosali ebintu byabarimi. Inkwana dingana lindengam afile factory kinyinga chidirect nkone bale no niche club chigali bakone batari ko ino for gwabarimi ebini ebintu byabarimi egen tutagete ngeringa kabra bawo nikende gyonsi tigaba bekabarimi babeke ebintu byatso bwasyoku abalimi bamanya n'ekibesa bawo n'ekibesa kyabo tari bakwanda bawo n'ebintu by'abalimi batariko batebi batariko bainvolve and batariko babeka andonzi bamanyu nande ntebe after twabwatiye keke kustorwa nilitegiyo mwaka muywa nkwaro ja serikali ya involve after nalika marubayo aba mpimba tete bagaetana na county Chonsi bakamiti abalimi ukondera mwana y'abalimi mwaro JCS igorona in parliament over the same 90 cap kayo karto be ke sporting kusina sultu ba serikali APS we ko manyana na ligete iruwe okotebya ba director bande bonso barate bo director we factory ba ko banainde chi director inata companies kiyo kole biashara na KTDA ande kana kyanyo kyage tia senga jabono na baba kusali ebintu KTDA na ende baraba director al chi factory ni chi factory Chonsi osikendi Chonsi ekiwade interest yeta weneti asinga ntumba lyo kwenda kocheki abande na abande baligereriwa kiribono ebakubwatana na kusali ebintu by'abantu iyo ntunda rero abantu beto bonsi abali beto mbiringa ki esi event wajagete ntulikuirana maiga tubwate bakomwelyo ekere cyo kwikana abantu bari kuwe pona zonye 50 shillings etuteta abantu beto bonsi bawe pona erengene 50 shillings tali mekoro babanda batokorera na abande bayiru 57 abande bayiru 10 shillings bamaze tengane quality arenge benga usechiro ni cyayonse twasa twane byasama yo konyoranga ateine role mutuko tetea egento kitari cyobone esinge cyo rero ni cyasamo usitu tumeke dore yam oje bwo baba konyora 10 shillings tezo konyora 10 shillings igonga na singe cyo bako ibintu byabari na kibintu bire na kinate nini lebo kongo tebya bari mubetonga ki
Utikaraga bwase county ya Nyamira omunyakirogo bwechi basari ase bunge ya West Mugirango Henrik Mori nigatebire aboroki wabarachi gwichoria chifomu cy'oburimo cye basari niko baguchya kwimukirwa egetambukiro egetindi umuroberi bwo kwena na chifomu icyo cye basari cya West Mugirango nigo cyagete abori tukore igoro asa aboroki wabe grade ge 10 aboroki wabo ba form 3 na boigo be university baichori chifomu icyo na gwetera asenchira yo mutandao na gochira gwika ase LBC yo mugambi
igote teko manyinga ekero ntubwate contacts cye sukuru Chonsi na ndeyemo igekero mo kubeka ekero mwana kubeka stamp ere yorimo nomba ligo tuwa dole contact na bari mu sukuru jiri to manyanga kwelyo mwana no mu sukuru ere osteri go sukuru ere na mbaire ali stoko ya chiefs centers aba gabari babu certify ali ntubwate umukaranyo ito uwikaransaroro ntubwate gitabu yo kunga accountable area unobaleze kwende yao form yao ibo ako ye receive onye area onye access na endo record ya segetabu so yato konya ekero mwana tabra ya form nekere form rakanga nirembe na botume kwa segetabu yetonga onye na upgrade kene ustabra igore ndo tebanga to base koleta form obisia anyo kurunya maya wodo sikora leto obisia o make sure nga ya be recorded into the counter book idero jiko konya ku assessinga abana be babraire mbalenga na mbalenga bale chini ni aso wabrai ali mu chiru ali no to to ore form ali iko to koleta into the fake na bali ba wala te mu ro fake ne report card ya uro ya te fake nko check to na to ko reference to the school tuwabolinge kene umwana oyo ngati performance ya yere na mbende yakabere ndatere nkiringa chipasa jeto kuratokwa chipasa dio tangani epasa likubwadi yakabere ngubuli tula abana betu bakoro mukia se school egire ikiya okagenda igoro ekero inde bigawe kwira nanse yake yako ba difficult ko konye pasari yoto kutabonya abande pasari bali hard working in school yoto ko bayini kale chi abana abo kera bayibe pasari na inde bakoro mukia monene ase school chifomu ichero wa chichoirie na batoko wabolinga na kroyomo anyere ase chiefs cambi yaye toira ase chiefs cambi ngao eyo neto konye komanya abana ko se wodi eyo yetu sadese yaye igoso kwira nao yera gato muchano na mbayire na wote ko manyina ekere form yaye tali complete etakuwa tina documents na bela nyarekane umisi pasali na ndoko wabolinga tuichuria form oyetigere njera tobeka documentation kebali kyo memory certificate yao death certificate chief system all those things
na wanda kwa mwendenga ondeta yose kwa tayinga kwa form hiyo ya pasali ukotume kwa chibasa
na kurwa asense moyo bonchereria ekambani yokorosya chinguru chomorero ya KenGen nigo yareriria guchia gwakana ababwatani bae gose shareholders efaida enene omwako yoiga aya nigachire maega ye kambani yo konyora efaida enene aso omwako yoiga okorario ku nigo gwakorekana ase geikaro gya kero mwaka kyo gyakorekana gose gientunda ye 53 ase omochio Nairobi.
Today, Kenya's electricity demand has reached the highest level in our nation's history of 2,418.77 megawatts recorded on November 18, 2025, reflecting a rapidly expanding industrial base, the growth of digital infrastructure, and a vibrant, forward-looking economy. In this environment, Kenya's leadership has never been more critical. We stand at a defining moment in our nation's history journey. KenGen is committed to playing a leading role in realizing the national ambition to add 10,000 megawatts of new capacity to the grid, as championed by His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. This is a bold step towards modern, industrialized Kenya, a Kenya that takes its rightful place among the world's leading economies.
Our shareholders' endorsement is grounded in strong results. KenGen delivered a 54% increase in profit after tax, rising to 10.48 billion Kenya shillings, powered by disciplined cost reductions, rapid growth in diversification measures, revenues, and a strengthened foreign exchange position. This is KenGen's strongest earning growth since the geothermal expansion cycle of the mid-2010s. But the broader story is even more significant. Kenya's electricity consumption reached the highest peak in our nation's history, 2,418.77 megawatts in November, a signal of accelerated industrialization, expanding digital infrastructure, and rising economic momentum.
We see very great potential, more so because of the interim measures that we are putting in place as an industry. Between KenGen and KPLC, who is the off-taker, there is a critical player who is KETRACO, the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, of which key transmission lines that are going to be completed are going to now increase the sales from 8.4 gigawatt hours onwards to 9, heading to 10 in the medium term.
Omobunge Okiaru Ndindi Nyoro oyuboigo okabeire omunyakerogo bwe komiti ye budget ase ebunge nene nigesokirie na kugikiria egetambukiro gya serikali kyogochekoni chishia chiaye chikambani ya Safaricom nigo chigoche kuirira eserikali goche konyora asare nene aseboiga tebiruna omurubiri uyu nigo ogochikoirira abakenya boigo konyora asara nigo atebiruna esheyemo nigo egochiakoni wa chiringi 35 asebono igachechu eyemo nigo ekoni wa chiringi 45.
I am a proponent of government divestitures in terms of the government doing as least business as possible. But I don't think there is a Kenyan who can support an underselling of a government asset. Safaricom PLC is the most prized asset that Kenya has. There is no other company that GOK has a stake that is as consequential as Safaricom PLC, based on its worth, its market cap, and of course its stature in the economy. The bigger concern that I have, and we must have as Kenyans, is the fact that the government of Kenya is proposing to sell Safaricom PLC, the 15% stake, at 34 shillings. Kenyans need to know that Safaricom shares were trading at an average of 45 shillings in 2021. Valuing Safaricom PLC at 1.8 trillion Kenya shillings in 2021. And of course that is before Safaricom even invested in Ethiopia, an investment that is actually becoming a very good decision for Safaricom. And what I just want to say is that the people who are on the other side of the table in this negotiation of the sale, and especially the people from the National Treasury, they are either self-interested, incompetent, or both. Because there is no way you can sell a stake of a company as a block with no premium. The biggest concern that we must have as Kenyans is the valuation at which the government is proposing to exit 15% stake in Safaricom. Because they want to sell per share at 34 shillings. And if you look at the recent past, including last week, Safaricom share touched even 30, past 30 last week. But in the last 5 years, and especially in 2021, Safaricom share was above 45 shillings in August of 2021. And when you are valuing on how to buy or sell a company, you as the seller must get the best deal in terms of the price. But it looks like the people who are representing the people of Kenya in government in this discussion and sale, they actually sided with the buyers and they decided to
na gwikiraga bo murigerere bwa nsoko no tugukorera amayeita senchira yo bwengi yechinsa ikomi chabo no magoroba kugusaba gende gutwara oburigererio buya irietariane Linet Nyambane.